I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. We have a new listing at 165 Bay Street East, Unit 2 in Thornbury, Ontario. This unit is closer to the driveway side of the home, and you'll see here that there's a separate side entrance that leads upstairs that's differentiated from the main floor. Once you get upstairs, Unit 2 has its own door. There's a foyer with a closet for storage that's separate from the rest of the unit. As you walk into the unit, you'll see a beautiful vaulted ceiling, hot lighting, ceiling fan. There's a gorgeous modern kitchen in the unit as well, with stainless steel appliances. The living room has a walkout to one of 2 balconies. There's vinyl flooring throughout for easy maintenance. The bedroom is quite large and it has a double mirrored closet. And as you go to the rear of the unit, Unit 2 actually has a laundry suite that has a walkout to a second balcony overlooking the backyard and a forested area. All of this just steps to parks, water access, shops, there's a brewery nearby, and all the amenities that make Thornbury such a great town, including skiing and more outdoor activities. So if you'd like to know more, please feel free to check out this listing at matteirealty.ca. Call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. Or email us at info@matteirealty.ca. I'm Eric Mattei. Have a great day.